my YouTube channel. So recently I've been doing some research on different AI tools to write blog post articles, and one of the AI tools which I've found interesting is journalist.ai. So I've been using it for almost like 10-15 days for generating my the articles for my blog post, and I'd like to review this AI tool and give a brief of the different features available in the tool, the pricing plans, and then some of those things which might benefit you guys. So let's start diving into it. So the first URL is they have a different domain name which is called triedjournalist.com, but actually it's the same tool, journalist.ai. So if you go to this website, they have this landing page, and if you see in the main heading, there are a couple of things which they have shown here. Mostly these are some of the important stuff like Autoblog, which is used for generating the articles automatically, and the pricing will come to that. Some of the Shopify integration and how it works. Then there's a good amount of tutorial on how to use the tool. So then there's some use cases which they've given. So going to the pricing and different plans, they actually have free plans for 3 articles. That means you can just try it out, log into the tool and try it out for 3 articles, and beyond that they will not allow to generate any more articles. But the free plan does not have this something called as the auto block, which means you can generate the article automatically based on some given configurations that will not be available. Sorry, generate the articles based on the given configuration and then push it to your websites. So let's say if you have a WordPress blog or any other blog website, then journalist AI can directly push the generated articles from the platform, from the tool to the website automatically. So that is called the auto block. So what I was saying was, in the free articles this auto block feature will not be available, but if you take any other articles, any other plans, then the auto block feature will be available. So the pricing is little costlier if you buy monthly. So let's say here $99 per month, but if you bill it yearly, then it becomes 60, somewhere around $59-60 per month. Okay, so let's in this video I'm going to show a brief about the features available in this tool. So let's log in and check the features. So for me, since I have the plan already, if I click on dashboard, it will directly take me to the landing screen page. So this is the landing page where on the left side you can see the list of features, and right side you will have a detailed description or detailed configurations which you can make for the ones which you have selected on the left side. So first thing, since the main the function of feature of the tool is to generate articles, the first menu is the generate articles. So in this you have different generation modes. For example, you can generate the article using keywords. Let's say you have some SEO keywords available which you have done some research. You can use those keywords to write the article, generate the article. Then you can use titles to generate the articles. You can give a list of titles, one title per line here, and then the tool will generate those articles based on those titles. And there is description. You can you can give a description of the article, whatever you want to write, and then it will write it out for you. Then there's something called keyword monitor. So this is also very interesting because you can define some websites where you would like to monitor the keywords, and then based on those keywords you can generate the article. And various other configurations are available. For example, the content, knowledge base you can set, and then the formatting style, then you can have the structure, if you have a heading, subheading, whether you would like the tool to generate those stuff, or you want them to add by yourself. And then there's internal linking, external linking, then what kind of images you would like to use. Example, you can use organic images from Bing, or you can even use AI images. Then you have another option for videos, where you can say that, okay, get me relevant videos from YouTube or somewhere. So if you enable this, it will embed those videos inside the article. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing on the left side menu, which is a history. It's simple, like whatever articles you have generated, it will just show up here. All articles will show you all the articles along with the ones which you have pushed to your websites. Then moving on to the next, in the customization we have something called the presets. Presets is actually a, you can say it as a configuration or settings for to be used later. So let's say you define the type of generation mode, you give a particular preset name, and you give some description here of what kind of article would you like to generate in in future. You can define all those things and then save it as preset. Okay, so we'll come to this when we use auto blocks, below here on the left hand side. So this is just a overview of preset. Next, they have something called the knowledge base, where you can actually provide the articles or the documents or any other web links of your brand, of your company, which will allow the tool to understand your brand. So in this way, when you write articles, it will be it will include all the points from the knowledge base as well. Next we have custom images. You can use various other images, your own generated images to be included in the article. Okay, moving on to the block automation, they have something called the auto blocks. So this is very interesting because this is how, where you can use the presets which I have mentioned earlier. So as I said, in a simple term, preset is something like a configuration which you have defined earlier, and in auto blocks it's going to use those preset and then generate the articles on a frequency defined by you. For example, in a month you would like to generate 2 articles, or in a week 5 articles, whatever the frequency and the number of articles you'd like to generate based on those presets, you can define it here. So if you click on new auto block, it will ask you the name, it will ask you which preset or which the settings or the configurations which you have made earlier you would like to use in generating the article. Then you can define the number of quantity, and then is it every week, every month, or every day. All these things you can provide. And then you can select an integration. Integration is something like you have let's say you have a WordPress blog website, then you would like to integrate these journalist.ai with that WordPress, so that when you generate article, you would like to directly publish it to the WordPress without you doing anything. That means journalist.ai will handle generation of the article as well as publishing it to your blog website. That's where this integration comes in. So you can set those auto blocks here. So the next we have this integrations which I just mentioned. It is a connection. You're going to establish a connection between your WordPress website and journalist.ai, so that journalist.ai can directly push those articles to your website. Next, on the left hand, we have something called indexes. Journalist.ai also helps you in indexing your articles, so it can, once connect you to your Google account, and then uh, push the articles to Google for indexing. Then we have something called publications, the number of articles which you have written and then uh, publish it to your websites. It will come under this category, under this list. Then they have something called the keyword monitors. So this, as explained, mentioned earlier, it will allow you to monitor a particular website or any other sites which you'd like to monitor for the keywords. You can set it up here and then later use these keywords to generate your article based on those keywords. So in a way it's a kind of tracking your different websites where you would like to track, keep a monitor, and then generate the article based on those keywords. Alright, so next, in the social media automation, I have something called um, social media tab, and then here you can add different Facebook or Twitter accounts or X accounts, and then you can, whenever the article is generated and then published, you can also send that update to your Facebook or X accounts. Alright, so these are some of the things. You can even invite users, and then you can um, you know make them part of your team so that you can work together. So this is all I have for the overview of journalist.ai, and maybe in the next further videos we will discuss each of these features in detail. Alright everyone, thank you for your time. Have a nice day.